Bedraggled, and I'm afraid that's the way of it across many central and southern parts of the British Isles. West Anstey not alone. It really is quite dull and damp in many areas. The reason for it, a great area of cloud piled through Scotland, Northern Ireland, the northern half of the British Isles last night. No, the rain associated with that is pushing down. There's a line of it really from sort of East Anglia down towards Lyme Bay, and you've seen that generally speaking it is quite murky in the south, but mild. A wee bit sunnier further to the north, and it's just that little bit fresher as well, with some sunshine there. It's really rather pleasant. Overnight, there'll be the last of that cloud still sticking across some of these central and southern areas. There, you'll stay on the mild side, but with the skies clear further north, well, temperatures really falling back. We're going to be in for quite a sharp frost there, save for the northern and western Isles. And in the latter part of the night, well, if you're out driving, just watch out because there will be some icy stretches on those roads. But further south, it is quite a different story with all that cloud around. As we start the day, if you're off back to work perhaps, well, there will be bits and pieces of rain still left over from that same band of weather lurking there across the southern counties. But notice the temperatures, 5 or 6 degrees there. What a contrast. Further north across the north of England, North Wales, into central and southern Scotland, we'll be looking at -1 or -2 as late in the day as 9 o'clock. So again, watch out for those icy stretches. A different story underneath the veil of cloud further north and west though. 6, 7 or 8 degrees across the northern and western Isles. Northern Ireland rather in between there. Patchy cloud just keeping the temperatures up a wee bit more perhaps. Look at the contrast here in Wales. 0 degrees where you've lost the cloud. Further south, well, 6, 7 or 8 degrees, something of that order. So it really makes a difference as to whether you keep the cloud or whether you lose it. And generally speaking, I suspect Wednesday, another quiet day. Monday and Tuesday, really not much going on the weather front. Wednesday, a similar sort of prospect. A lot of cloud across the south, some murk again across the moors down in the southwest. Better, brighter conditions perhaps across central and eastern Scotland, Northern Ireland and the north of England and far north of Wales. Wednesday night, bit of a change. This is where things really do take on a much colder feel because there's a lot of cold air across the heart of Europe just at the moment. And time we start bringing in a bit of an easterly breeze come Thursday, that's going to have a real effect. It's going to keep a band of weather away from us out towards the west, but it will make the day feel really dank and chilly. And it may well be the case that we don't see very much sunshine at all, so a really rather gloomy sort of day. And if that wasn't cold enough for you, 4, 5 or 6 there, by Friday the temperatures will be falling back. Could be 2, 3 or 4 degrees, Sean, and there could even be a flake of snow. See you.